Beneath the grandeur of Vatican City lies a labyrinthine world, unseen by most. The Vatican Apostolic Archive stretches for 53 miles, a silent testament to centuries of power and secrecy. Within its walls reside millions of documents, shielded from prying eyes. Access is granted to only a select few scholars. Cameras are forbidden. The world remains locked out, fueling speculation and intrigue. What secrets are buried within these hallowed halls? Rumors abound of hidden gospels, writings that could shatter the foundations of Christianity. Some believe the true account of Jesus' life is concealed within these vaults. Others speak of ancient scrolls rescued from the burning library of Alexandria. Could the archive contain medieval prophecies, correspondence about unidentified flying objects, or groundbreaking scientific discoveries suppressed for centuries? The possibilities are endless, shrouded in mystery. In 2020, a portion of the archive was opened to scrutiny. Yet, the most enigmatic chambers remain sealed, their secrets guarded. Why this selective unveiling? What truths are deemed too dangerous for the world to see? Is the Church protecting the sanctity of faith or concealing uncomfortable truths that could rewrite history? The question lingers, unanswered. The Vatican archives have long been a breeding ground for conspiracy theories. Tales of suppressed knowledge and hidden agendas fuel the imagination. Are these mere fantasies or reflections of a deeper reality? The archive holds the potential to rewrite our understanding of history, religion, and the very nature of reality. But with such power comes immense responsibility. What is the Vatican truly hiding? And what would happen if the world ever discovered the full extent of its secrets? The implications are staggering. The release of such information could trigger a crisis of faith, a re-evaluation of history, and a fundamental shift in our understanding of the world. The stakes are impossibly high. The Vatican Apostolic Archive remains an enigma, a repository of untold stories and potential revelations. Its secrets are guarded by centuries of tradition and power. As we delve deeper into its mysteries, we must ask ourselves, is the pursuit of truth worth the potential consequences? The answer, like the archive itself, remains elusive.